Hey everyone, welcome back. Austin here in our Cook Your Catch kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple technique on how to cook lingcod. This is a beautiful fish that we catch. It's a really interesting fish, fun to catch, really nice firm texture, and I like to poach it. So first thing, we're going to make our poaching liquid. In a pot, I have some water. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of white wine. Some salt. And then here I have peppercorn, lemon, scallion, cilantro stem, and ginger. This is a nice way if you have anything left over in your fridge, the ends of onions, garlic, shallot, thyme. It's a nice way to utilize those pieces that may go into the trash. So I'm going to bring this up to a light simmer and let it cook for a little while for all those flavors to marry together. So while our poaching liquid is coming together, we're going to make a simple sauce to serve with our poached fish. To that, I'm going to add a ½ cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar. This is white wine vinegar. 1/4 cup of sugar. Some slivered ginger, fresh ginger, and scallion. I'm going to mix this together until the sugar is dissolved and keep it at room temperature. So you can see we have our liquid here. It's been lightly simmering for about 15 minutes just so that everything incorporates in there. And we're going to take our beautiful fillet of lingcod. And you can see right here we're barely simmering. That's exactly what we want. We don't want to boil this fish. We just want to really gently poach this fish. And again, the liquid is seasoned and the sauce that's going with it is soy based. So I'm not going to season the fish. I'm going to count on the liquid to season the fish for me. I'm going to check the fish after about 5 to 7 minutes to check for doneness. So the fish has been in the poaching liquid for about 5 minutes, and what I'm going to do is take a little cake tester, and it's a nice way to check for doneness of the fish. If you feel a firm spot in the fish, you want to poach it a little bit longer, but if it goes through gently, then the fish is ready. This fish is ready to go. To plate our poached fish, I have a little bit of cilantro and scallion. I'll put a little bit of that on the bottom of the bowl. And then I'll take our fish, put it directly on top, garnish with a little bit more scallion and cilantro, some sliced chili, and then finish with our sauce. We're going to gently place our fish on top. Again, garnish with a little bit more of our greens, some sliced chili, and finish with our sauce. For me, this is such a great way of cooking the lingcod. There's so many ways to cook it and it is so versatile, but being able to taste the delicate flesh mixed with some of the freshness of the cilantro and that really well-balanced soy vinegar sauce is a great way to enjoy this. So this is an excellent fish to eat, and it's even more fun to catch these things. So if you want to see a video of us catching these lingcod, go to exclusivealaska.com.